how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. This is your girl Beth Awino and I'm back with another video, and today we are doing empty studio villa studio empty house tour, if that is correct. Yes, and then talking about house rent in Qatar. I'm talking from my experience, okay? I'm talking from my experience, from my personal experience, okay? I'm not an expert, I'm talking from my personal experience, okay? Guys, you all know I'm in Doha, Qatar, and one thing that I've said is the cost of living is costly, and you really need to be disciplined to be able to save. However much you're earning here, you might end up spending almost all of it, okay? So here's the thing. Most employers offer accommodation where the company will provide the house for their employees, and if you happen to not to be in company accommodation, you'll be given an allowance depending on your grade, depending on what job you're doing, and then you'll have to look for a house for yourself, and that is the most difficult thing to find. Getting a house that you can afford, it's crazy. It's crazy. Most of people here share houses because it's not, you cannot do it on your own. You cannot manage. It's super expensive unless you just decide kaliwali. Kaliwali means I don't care. Yeah, you just decide you'll spend however much you'll spend to be comfortable, because here it's crazy. And we have bed space. We have types of houses, or types of places where people go to stay. We have bed space. Bed space is where you only find, from the word, that place, you only have a place where you can put your bed. Basically there you're just going to sleep, your bed only, you don't have any space. It's like a school. And in bed space mostly they are double deckers, because it's only bed, you don't have any other kitanda. Your bed is your everything, is your house, is your kitchen, is your everything. So it's called bed space. And mostly here men are most people that stay in bed space, and that bed space, it's not cheap. It's not cheap. It's only bed, but it's not cheap. I think most bed space they start from 500 riyals, if I'm not wrong. 500 riyals. Imagine 500 riyals. 500 riyals, that is almost 15,000 Kenya shillings. 15,000 Kenya shillings. Are we together? 15,000 Kenya shillings, that is an equivalent of $150. $150. Imagine $150 only for a bed, okay? Then we have another one called studio. In our country we call it a bed sitter, where you have a space to put your bed. You have your own kitchen, you have your own bathroom. But also that one depends. You can find a bigger one, you can find a small one, depending on the location, depending on your pocket. Also it will go according to your pocket. And this is also very expensive. It's a studio, okay? And mostly it ranges from 1,500 riyals. 1,500 riyals. That is like 45,000 Kenya shillings. That is minimum, the minimum start from. So it can go as higher as 2,500. Okay, so 1,500 Qatar riyal, that is almost 45,000 Kenya shillings, or $450. So you can imagine if you can manage alone that amount in Kenya. You can get a two-bedroom house, a two-bedroom apartment with 45 Kenya shillings. But here it's a studio or a bed sitter back in my country. Okay, then we have villas, we have flats. I don't know the difference between a flat and an apartment. Are they the same? Please comment down below. Comment down below. Okay, comment down below what's the difference, flats and apartment. I don't know the difference. Okay, so those are that is it. So in short, house rent in Doha, Qatar, it's super expensive, and I have never gotten to know why it's super expensive while the constructions are always ongoing. There's so many houses for rent, but how it's expensive, I do not know. If you know the real details, comment down below. Let's learn together. Okay guys, and guys, I will show you two types of studios, empty studios, that I'm planning to move in. Let me know what you think. Okay, enjoy the empty tour, the empty villa studio tour, and let me know what you think. Okay, what you think? So there, this is the room tour, villa studio. This is a small kitchen. See how small it is. We have cabinets here. I don't know if it's clear. This. Okay, here we have some taps. It's a small kitchen, as small as it is. Then this is the size. I don't know what size this. I don't know. This is semi-furnished actually. There is one chair here, but I feel this chair it's dirty. I think I'll just have to remove it. Then we have AC. We have this AC. But they're going to change to put split this way. Then have the washroom here, semi-furnished. Have washing machine. This is the toilet. This is sink. This window. Basically, that is it. As small as it is. So guys, this is villa studio empty tour number 2. Yes, so this is bigger than the first one. So this is too big. This is the side. This is also semi-furnished. We have a wardrobe here. It's broken. Yeah, it's actually empty. If anything. Number 2. We have a window. We have this AC and this old one. It's not functional. It's supposed to be removed. Then let's go to the kitchen. This is the kitchen, basically. That is the kitchen, basically. This is the kitchen. So we have this cooker here. We have this cabinet. Have a sink. We have top cabinet. And the toilet. It's big. This is bigger, guys. Guys, let me know what's the size. So here the size varies, and also the price varies according to the location and everything. Okay, and you know how much this is? Please guess. Please guess. I don't want to shock you, but it's not cheap. Okay, let me know your thoughts on the empty villa studio tour. Okay, thank you, bye bye.